Welcome! Today we're going to clear the Remove Paper Scraps error on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. On the touchscreen, press Yes. Now press the Settings icon. Select Maintenance. Now select Remove Paper Scraps. Select Next. Load a thick sheet of paper in the manual feed slot. Press OK. Now press Start. This should loosen any paper scraps still inside the machine. Close the manual feed slot and insert a thick piece of paper in the opening right above the rear cover. The machine will pull the paper in and clear out any loose paper scraps. Remove the paper tray and paper support. Remove any paper scraps found. Open the scanner cover and remove any paper scraps in the platen area. Replace the paper support and the paper tray. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.